Welcome to Technia TV. Hello everyone, I am Mayank Aroda, Faculty of Journalism and Mass Communication Department from Technia Institute of Advanced Study. Today I deliver a lecture on a topic of recording. The most realistic sound effect may originate from original source. The closest sound to machine gun fire that we can reply should be an original recording of actual machine guns. However, real life and actual practice do not always coincide with theory. Often recording of real life do not sound realistic on playback. The realistic sound of pagan firing in the gulping of cell phones rain may be recorded as salt falling on a piece of tin foil. Less realistic sound effects are digitally signified or sample and sequence the same recording play repeatedly using a sequencer. When the producer or content creator demand high fidelity sound effects, the sound editor usually must augment his available library with new sound effects recorded in the field. Then the required sound effect is of a small subject, such as squeezer cutting, cloth ripping, or footstep. The sound effect is best recording in a studio under controlled conditions. Many sound effects cannot be recorded in a studio, such as explosion, gunfire, and automobile or aircraft maneuvers. These effects must be recorded by a sound effects editor or a professional sound effects recordist. When such big sounds are required, the recordist will begin contracting professionals or technicians in the same way a producer may arrange a crew. If the recordist needs explosion, he may contact a demolition company to see if any buildings are scheduled to be destroyed with their explosive in the near future. If the recordist required a volley of cannon fire, he may contact historical re-enhancement or gun enthusiasts. A counter example is the common technique for recording an automobile for recording onboard car sound, which include the car interior. A 3-microphone technique is common. 2 microphones record the engine directly. One is taped to the underside of the hood near the engine block. The second microphone is covered in a windscreen and tightly attached to the rear bumper within an inch or so of the tailpipe. The third microphone, which is often a stereo microphone, is stationed inside the car to get the car interior. The sound effect can be shared by the sound editor or sound designer, not just for realism but for emotional effect. Once the sound effects are recorded or captured, they are usually loaded into a computer integrated with an audio non-linear editing system. This allows a sound editor or sound designer to heavily manipulate a sound to meet his or her needs. There is a tips and talk about some recording studio. A recording studio is a facility for sound recording and mixing. Ideally, both the recording and monitoring space are specially designed by an acoustician to achieve optimum acoustic properties. Acoustic isolation or diffusion or absorption of reflected sound that could otherwise interfere with the sound heard by the listeners. Recording studio may be used to record musician over voiceover artists for advertisements or dialogue replaced in film, television, or animation, or to record their accompanying musical soundtracks. The typical recording studio consists of a room called the studio or live room where instrumentalists and vocalists perform, and the control room where sound engineers, sometimes with produce as well, operate either professional audio mixing consoles or computers with specialized software suited to manipulate and route the sound for acknowledge or digital recording. Often there will be smaller room called isolation booths present to accommodate loud instruments such as drums or electric guitar to keep these sound from being audible to the microphones that are capturing the sound from other instrumental, or to provide drier room for recording vocal or quieters acoustic instruments. I hope you understand my lecture. For watching more videos, like and subscribe Technia TV. Thank you all.